We are relatively new to Bradford. It's a thriving, growing community, and we want to show that, we sponsor hockey teams, we sponsor baseball teams, we work with the schools with co-op students, and here on a very granular level, we're helping a local area person have the means to transport their family to and fro.
My car had just broken down a few days before. It feels like you're less able to be the mother that you have to be or should be, and it takes away that independence from you.
This is a real godsend for us. I mean, these days, especially when you have kids, you need a car, a reliable car, and this was a miracle.
The car that we're giving away today came through a friend who was a customer at my Danforth store. It was her father's car who passed away, and she was going to trade it in on a new vehicle, and I sort of suggested the Project Spark to her, and she thought that was wonderful, that her father's car is going to go to somebody who needs it and somebody who's going to cherish it. With the help of Napa, we spent a considerable amount of money bringing it back to where it is today.
It was a pretty solid car, but yeah, now it's even more solid. We put work into it.
We restored it to the best standard we could. She's going to get a lot of longevity out of it and have safe, reliable transportation, hopefully for years to come. On behalf of Midas Auto Service and Tires here in Bradford, with the help of Napa Newmarket, our parts supplier, the help of Nexon Tires, we are not only honored, but we're privileged to have restored this beautiful Nissan Altima to the newest condition it could be. So from the bottom of our hearts, thank you for being here and accept this lovely car.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
This was something else. It's on a bigger level. Yeah, that's what makes me feel special.
It is amazing when we have community business like this offer these types of opportunities to families. And I know all the kids are excited, and I'm really proud as a mayor to have our local business support your needs. And I'm really thankful to Craig and his team for doing this.
Cars are expensive. It's hard to just go out and purchase a car, especially when you have 4 children and you're trying to raise a family.
I think it's a great thing for our store, Bradford Midas. I think it's a great thing for Midas Canada. I think it's a great thing for the Mavis Group that owns Midas internationally.
There's people out there that want to do that for people like us that need help. I'd like to thank Midas and Napa for giving me this vehicle and this opportunity to sustain the life that me and my children have, and I want to thank them very much from the bottom of our hearts. That it means a lot.